Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of Tech Revealer. And guys, today we're gonna talk about the all new Oppo F19 Pro, which is another marvelous and incredible phone of the Oppo F series. And guys, this phone is suspected to be launched with one of the best and significant features in the market of 2020. And guys, the highlight spec of the Oppo F series is the camera. And guys, this phone is also coming with an amazing camera of 108 megapixel primary lens, which is inspired by Samsung. And guys, this phone also enables you with the facility of ultra wide images, and the low light conditioning is made more enhanced. And guys, the phone is also coming with an under display front camera, which is a unique and highlighted specification firstly launched by Oppo. And guys, the phone will be also launching with an powerful processor such as a Snapdragon 765G chipset, which will support 5G. And guys, this phone is also coming with an amazing RAM variant such as the 8GB RAM variant along with the 10GB RAM variant. So guys, there will be no lag in performance. And guys, the phone is also coming with an 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display with the refresh rate of 90Hz. And guys, this display is installed to make your multimedia content and games and movies more good. And guys, the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 6 is also applied along with a 6000 milliampere battery installed along with VOOC fast charging of 65 voltage. And the in-display fingerprint scanner is also installed on the all-new Oppo F19 Pro. And guys, the phone is also coming with P2I coating, which will reduce the liquid damages overall. And guys, the phone is also coming with 128 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes of onboard storage with an micro SD card expandable up to 1 terabyte. And guys, the suspected price of the smartphone is around 1 lakh or 150 lakh PKR, as it is a flagship level smartphone. And the launch date of the smartphone is suspected in December or in early February of 2021. So guys, overall this is a good phone in the category of flagships in 2021. So guys, that's for today. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos. We'll see you soon in another video of Tech Revealer. Till that time, take care. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.